Welcome to Boundary Ford, located 2502 50th Ave, Mr. Border City. Today we're taking this beautiful pre-owned 2020 Ford F-150 XLT. The exterior color is white. Under the hood is a 3.5-liter V6 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. At the front, we have automatic headlamps as well as fog lamps. And over to the side, we have 18-inch aluminum wheels running Goodyear tires, as well as color-matched handles and black mirror caps. This 2020 F-150 also comes with remote start, as well as an engine block heater. At the rear, we have a power-lift tailgate, as well as a rear camera with reverse sensing systems. At the interior, you have driver-friendly feature power locks, power windows, as well as mirror settings as a door storage. Making our way into the cabin, you'll see our lovely black cloth seating with adjustments located on the side, as well as our lumbar support. Over our steering column, we have our automatic headlamp settings, as well as a tilt steering wheel with our cruise control options on the left and our median hands-free options on the right, which over to above us being a rearview mirror along with our cabin lighting. Looking forward to this 2020 F-150, you can see it has 68,771 kilometers on it. As well as over our center face, you'll see options available such as our audio, phone integration, application, and settings, which is below being a climate control area, which provides air conditioning and heating for the entire cabin. Alongside that, we have heated seats. If there are any more questions about this beautiful pre-owned 2020 Ford F-150 XLT, then please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answer any questions you may have. Thank you for shopping here with us at Boundary Ford.